ready to turn your WhatsApp chats into a dynamic storefront. Let's dive into creating a stunning catalog in Wati. First, head over to your Wati dashboard and locate the catalog section. On the left-hand sidebar, it's usually indicated by a shopping bag icon. Click on the Add Product button. This will open a form where you'll input all the details about your product. Start by entering your product's name, followed by a compelling description that highlights its key features and benefits. Set the price accurately. And remember to upload a high-quality image that showcases your product in the best light. Wati also lets you add variants for size or color. Next, organize your products by creating categories and subcategories, which helps customers easily browse and find what they're looking for. Think of it like setting up aisles in a store. Finally, test your catalog within a WhatsApp chat. See how your products appear to customers, and ensure all the images and descriptions are displayed correctly. With a well-organized and visually appealing catalog, you'll boost sales and improve customer engagement.